All right, now that we've seen one done using expanded form, we're going to try one together. All right, so make sure you have your math notebook, something to write on it with, and we're going to do this one. It says, Jason gave away 116 of his 202 pieces of candy. How many pieces of candy does he have now? Show your work. So I want you to go ahead and pause the video, and I want you to write an equation, okay? All right, now hopefully your equation matches what I'm about to write, which is 202 pieces that he has, and he's taking away 116 equals blank, okay? So hopefully your equation matches that. Now what I want you to do is I want you to break each of these into expanded form. So go ahead and pause the video and do that for me. All right, hopefully when you broke these down into expanded form, they look like this. Remember, this plus sign is just saying that we're combining all of these, because 200 plus 0 plus 2 is 202, and then 100 plus 10 plus 6 would equal 116. Now that we have it in expanded form, I want you to pause it and see if you can solve it to get the difference. All right, so when we subtract them, we're supposed to be taking away 6 from 2, but we can't do that, all right? So what we're going to do is we're going to cross out this 2. We're going to go here. We can't borrow from there, but we're going to go to this 200. Now, instead of 200, I'm going to change it into 100. This would become 100. And now I can cross that 100. I'm going to take 10 away from that. It's going to become 90. And this would become 12. And now I'm going to make sure that all of these add up to still equal 202 to make sure I did it right. So 100 plus 90 would equal 190, plus 12 would still give me that 202. Now 12 minus 6 would give me 6. 90 minus 10 would give me 80. And 100 minus 100 would equal 0. So when I put this back together, I should get 86 as the difference. So 202 minus 116 equals 86.